My name is Will McCauley. I'm a grad student at The Ohio State University studying my master's in welding engineering. We are currently in Santa Maria, California. We are doing a parabolic flight for our LUNAR Weld project.
Our payload is to simulate the space environment. So it has a vacuum chamber, and inside this vacuum chamber we have an axial system and a laser that's going to shoot onto a welding surface.
NASA has been working on planning for this for a while, and they contact us and say, will you be willing to put the effort to try to build an experiment so we can start doing experimentation of welding in space? We agree maybe start with a Capstone program will be ideal. We get the own talent involved while we get the work started, and that's what we did.
Right now we have a mechanical engineer who's actually focused in software. We have an electrical engineer, and then we have materials and welding and a bunch of other people, all from Capstone teams.
Essentially, they fly the plane up to a specified elevation, drop down to match the acceleration of the gravity itself, which then anything internal, you're able to simulate this zero gravity environment inside the plane.
The flight was really, really cool. I've never felt anything like it, but it did go very well. We collected good data.
It wasn't what I was expecting it to be, but it was really cool. It was really amazing, and you really felt like weightless.
I feel very lucky to be part of this project, and it motivates me so much to kind of work on this research. I don't think I'll be in any better position if I didn't go to OSU.